What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there again, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I mean say attack. Some people, my attacking warriors, my viewers, my subscribers, my son, you know. Me say me son, my people. Me soon in the comment section. Me see how you feel. You understand? Me see the reaction them, my people. So me go through all of the comments them. Even though maybe you know say me love them up yet, my people. But soon there will be love up on everything. But me see the reaction and me see how you feel. So big up to all of the real ones them who wants it better for Jamaica. Me see in the comment section where some people are going to comment and I say NEWLINK, y'all lick out too hard. NEWLINK, y'all talk up too much and I want the world to know what. What you mean say? What you mean say me a talk up too hard? So if you do play dumb to the whole thing and keep silent on the whole thing when them already know, you see do you all see the poll what them do to them people? Me ask one of my viewers and subscribers because me not miss from a topic, you know, my people, or when me really come with the story. You understand? But for these people who want to feel like say them want to say this and that to the attacking boss, I'm ask you know, do you all see the poll where the Jamaica Gleaner do my people? When them say the top 5 groups Jamaicans them most corrupt. Where Jamaica the most corrupt. And who top the top 5 my people? Who top it? Politicians, they way up, so. Way up on top. Them put police down and police the half our politician there. Them put central government and them they look below police. And them put the scammer them and them they done. We are done so. And JPS. Zin, for sure you that my people. The youth them. Who them said this and that in a dial and do this and do that my people. You understand? Them they we are done so, but the one who said them a go for the youth them and the one who will lead the youth them in a better direction, my people, they are deemed the most corrupt in Jamaica. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Yes, the poll was dropped today, my people. Sunday, June 11, 2023, my people. You understand? Right over the pan Jamaica Gleaner. And this poll, what them say, was conducted based on a survey with them do my viewers and subscribers. And when I check it out, my people, politicians. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. And not the first time I do them poll, my people. But politician deems the most corrupt, which me are the fool. History can't tell her that. When you go back from history, when grandma and grandpa them tell her from the history from the 70s, the 60s, come right back up, my people. You hear about politicians and we call it politics, not none of politics in Jamaica. Politics. Okay? Alright. Some of viewers and subscribers. Here we go on here now. See? So, back to basic, my people, because we have to go on the highlight on them politic. Something that my people, who them, you know what I mean, with them bag of corruption and them ram some sham and then come some shan, chum some sham shan, poo, boom. See? So, here we go on here now, my people. This story are now, you know, pertaining back to look at 8-year-old sad R.I.P. You understand, monster, Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. I tell you in the vlog, say, look here. Any information the attacking boss get pertaining to the story, whether alleged or whether you understand, my people, the street attack pertaining to it, my people, I definitely going to share it with you all. Me can't keep silent. I'm the attacking boss. Who not like when me talk and like when me reel out? Get to yourself off my channel, please. No disrespect, but please get to yourself off. For the one them who support the attacking boss and say NEWLINK attack the same thing them. Big up on yourself, people. It was raised to me now, people pertaining to it. And them say attacking boss, big talking at the street and people on the ground attacking boss. Attacking boss, them must say, the hit was sent out from a man where they behind bars. No name no call, it is alleged. Them some people, this man behind bars, you understand, because pertaining to close family of the little one sadly rest in peace, my people. Them say, this man managed to go behind bars of people. Zin? And them say, the father of this little one, my viewers and subscribers, managed to make this man get locked up, my people, for a couple of years well. You understand? And them said this man I do some time in my people. You understand? So them say, no, my people. You understand? Them say, this man, my people, manage to stay say, boom, and send out a abduct my people, for the local one, and then send out it, say, yo, take our 3 points. You understand, my people? Them say, this is why all the information is being gathered, my people, and the police and everybody and the families and everybody keeping silent because the information with them are look at, and you get what I'm saying? So, in the end, I no release nothing. No. The street is talking, my people, and it is alleged. No name, no call, say a Tom, Dick, Larry, Terry, my people. But basically, this is what I go on now. So people say, NEWLINK, what could they be and what this is the, you understand, my people, some of the pinpoint now, because me tell you, say, they are conducting some deep investigation into it. And members of them releasing on my people yesterday, which was Saturday, June the 10th, 2023, and they said they have huge information and huge clues to what could lead to where this little one was kidnapped, and then them do the wickedness and the cruelness to her. My people, and I really love my people. People wicked for true, you know. We talk about this thing of people heartless, you know. How can you have the heart to take something like an object, a tool, a weapon, my people? A little girl who is 8-year-old and managed to take out her 3 points. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And I talk in the vlog that I did, my people, and say what we all need in our country in Jamaica, my people. We need to bring in debt. What me say, my people, debt. The people in my ball feet, my people, debt. Because in the end, you not supposed to feel like you can do something like this to a local one, and then you got to talk about you got tax, got taxpayer money at prison, Them 3 meals a day, then you see them start putting in a class, and them start do this to you, and I got to talk about you a change man, When I look at one, then there's a 6'6" and rat not, All because of the hands of you with your wickedness and crueltiness. Attack them, NEWLINK, don't stop, attack the wicked or thinking dirty sin thing them. Never will I. You understand, my people? And for all real general and all in the street, man, them, we not gonna support things like them, because them are no bad man, Them sin thing are no gangster, them sin thing are wicked. You know what I mean? Because you hurt now. You understand, say you hurt because what? Somebody put you behind a place there, you understand, make you get locked up over there. See? And you want the person to suffer because you claim say you are suffering, because you're there in that place there, and you are suffer because every time you wake up our man, you are look pan, You understand? So you will say the wickedest sufferation and the wickedest hurt you can get, because you feel say, the man who may put you behind this, as it go to the alleged info with them as some people. The man who may put you behind this, Zin, you are praying, say if you take him out, him not go feel no hurt the time. But this is wicked, this hurt, him going to live with this for the rest of life. And of course, you take out my local one, my people, my local daughter, in such a way, in such a manner. For the rest of my life, me hurt. There's nothing can bring back my brain cell, my people, and then me get 100 more pitney behind it. You understand? So I want the wickedest thing that you could ever do. If you want to pay back or if you want to say, yo, this is how you will take back revenge. But it's cruelness. It's heartlessness, my people. You understand? And back to basic, my people. And when I burn them in the vlog, I come to I really thought upon them and attack you all of them. When I attack the media them, I attack the blogger them, and I attack entertainers, you understand? Corruptive entertainers that we have over there. You know what I mean? Corruptive sin thing them. Talk about the whole of them. Corruption them, my people. Them no love we. You understand? They don't love us. When me telling this, them no love nobody, them don't go love them money, my people. So big up to all of the real ones, them who love we each one, you know what I mean, who love we as Jamaican. Me love my people, them. You understand? As a Jamaican, me love my people, me love my country bad to my heart. I mean, I select out my people. But when me want to see is better for my country and the corruption where you go on in our country, my people, with the politics them. You understand? Because the poll don't tell you no. You see it? Look on it, my people. When you watch the vlog, when me drop the vlog? When did I drop the vlog? Now yesterday me drop the vlog. On the Saturday, my people, June the 10th. And then when the poll drop, my people, on the level, for sure you say when me attack is facts. Facts. When me are telling about politics, if you not watch the vlog now, please, wanna go over there, wanna watch the vlog already, people. The first vlog when me do pertaining to the 8-year roll where them take out my people. Watch the vlog, please. Listen to what me I say, my people, and see how me show no what go on. I'm really thought upon them, my viewers and subscribers, the wicked ones, them. Attack them NEWLINK, I will never stop. See, I don't know my people, as me telling you, say, the info when me get pertaining to the story, I'm going with my people. Me now go keep it for myself. See, so any more info me get, my people, the attacking boss is here to attack it and drop it for you all. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. And my people, I love you know, my Jamaican people, my Caribbean people, Trinidad, Bahamas, St. Vincent, St. Kitts, you understand, Antigua, you get what me I say, the whole place, Barbuda, you get what me I say, Montserrat, Cayman Islands, Curious, my son, my fans, my son, Guyana, Trinidad, you get me I say, USA, England, Canada, my son, you get what me I say, my love you know, and I thank you all for the support, I thank you for the comment them, I thank you for the share them, I thank you for everything, because a lot of my fans them, they are so long time, you know, they just forward to them, they are so from the attack start. And the attack shall never stop, my people. You understand? Stay safe and just continue to do the right thing and don't make them chicken on my people, because they are wicked and they are evil and they are unscrupulous people. You understand? In Jah, we put our trust, not mankind. Peace out, my people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official, the one and only attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack them.